E.g., so we went on a trip to France once, and there was an American in front of us who'd say, I loved salad, but not lettuce, but not cucumber, but not radish, but I love salad. And they spent the whole journey from London to Paris listing everything that could possibly in salad that they didn't like. Which, to this day, I don't know what it was about salad they did like. Perhaps it was the colours. But so she might say, I don't like salad, e.g. She liked fruit, e.g. apples, oranges, bananas, grapefruit. It means, for example, let me show you the kind of thing. Not all of it, but just a selection so you know what I mean. So we have, apparently it comes from the Latin exempli gratia, and it means for example or for the sake of example. Sounds a bit hard on the ear, that, doesn't it? But e.g., it just gives you a few examples so you know roughly what we're talking about. Remember always to put the dots in, because why not? Why not? It's only a dot. It costs nothing. Bye.